Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Windows Tips. So in this video we are going to learn about other Windows tips, and in today's video we are going to learn about some graphical stuff, and we are going to have a look on an online framework that is globally used for designing the graphical stuffs. So we are talking about Canva.com. So before proceeding further, I request you guys to please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any kind of update from my side. So let's get started. So as you know that in current era everyone wants to design his or her own graphical stuff. It might be a resume, it might be a presentation, it might be a logo, it might be any kind of designs. So even a video, even a short duration video that contains a short duration, everyone wants his own video. So for that purpose, if we were not using Canva.com, we will go for Adobe Illustrator for graphic design, and we will go for at least Camtasia Studio for our video editing stuff, or we will go for Sony Vegas or something like that. For higher version of the videos we can go with Adobe Premiere. So these are the softwares that consumes a lot of system requirements. We must have a good system requirement for that. So for avoiding all kind of the stuffs, I will teach you and I will brief you that how can we use the Canva, for all these stuffs. So let's get started. Only you have to go to your browser and you have to open a website named as Canva.com. So Canva.com is an online framework that is used to design online stuffs, just as your resume, your presentation. You can see here that in the local design we can see it in Instagram post, resume, posters, logos, presentations. The office stuff might contains the templates of A4 documents, reports and planner, letter and resumes. So what if I want to design a logo? So I will go here for you and I will click on the logo. So you will see when I click on the logo, a portal will be generated and it will show you that how we can make a stuff, how we can make a logo. So let's get started with the designs. So in this video you can see that what kind of design you want for a logo. Let's suppose I want this one, and I will give this design a name, any kind of design. So I will give the design name as my first logo. I will name it as my first logo, and I will give good stuff. So I have named it as this one. So if I want to, if my mind changes at this point and I want this logo to be a video converter stuff, so I can use the animate functionality to the rise, tumble, fade, all the stuff you can use accordingly. So the next thing is that if you don't want the things to be animate, you can go with the simple stuff, such as you can only check these things out. You can adjust your logo, and finally whenever you think that you are good to go with it, then you can click download, and in the download you have to select this drop down, and for PNG format you have to select PNG. For JPG format you can click the JPG. For PDF, the PDF. So I want this one and I will download it. So you will see that a logo will be downloaded. Okay, so here's the thing that you can also explore an extra version of Canva that is referred as Canva Pro, but it is a paid version. It is referred as Canva Pro. You can go for it if you had some bugs. If you have some bugs, and then you can go for it, and if you want to work professionally, then you can go for it. Otherwise you can use the simple Canva version for your purpose, for any kind of purpose. So that's all from the today's video, and if you like the video then please do share it and do comment on the video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.